Titanic a sink ye 1912 no ebra na free England call America a sink ye deep ocean mu no abrofo no de aye omo ayi bi se afi bia omo call Titanic no be bia toye no omo ko nsuo na se na omo akọhwe na omo hwete bia ewum se etete anase omu hu da na omo de omani na no wuni sika untumi enko fi se ombe charge o pa ansa na okotana submarine mu na mususu widen watimi akobo wani akonhoma ewo ensuo na se na wei na afi wei omkoye no empanifu a ewo abonten a track submarine no eche se afi radar no so ade a hwem edi hunu se eduru ha no ese omu hunu biem wei akoya rehosem a mususu se submarine no bibi aye no ewo ensuo na se a eya rehosem se enipa a ewom no 5 enipa 5 no eskafo nko a na se wona wom bibidie bebre aka ho na omso ayden akonya san kwanhia na mpanifo gu so ehwehwem se de be ya ombetimi ayden ede omaba na submarine no de aye nie emframa ene womu a mo wom no mo de home ndimva se omko di 3 days a na oma fa mframa no be 10 days ndimva se BBC a days na ebeka no na se omatimi ayi su san mframa na home na se days ni nyina san na se san mframa no mframa no san mo be wu ase eno akoye arehosem a nipa bi egusu omo ka ho ase mo mientie news no.
The Titanic may have claimed 5 more victims more than a century after it sank.
Breaking news in the desperate search for a small submersible that disappeared while taking a crew of 5 people to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean to view the Titanic shipwreck.
Search underway right now for a tourist submarine that vanished while exploring the Titanic shipwreck over in the Atlantic Ocean.
A company by the name of OceanGate began selling tickets to dive into the depths to witness the world's most famous shipwreck and underwater gravesite, the Titanic, charging a whopping $250,000 per individual ticket. A tourist trip only the wealthy can afford, but for this year's submarine trip down to the deep may have cost more than the passengers bargained for. On Sunday the 18th of June, OceanGate planned and set off on their 2023 submersion. A group of 5, including a billionaire and record holder by the name of Hamish Harding. Another individual by the name of Shahzada Dawood, who is one of the wealthiest people in Pakistan. Accompanying Mr. Dawood was also his son, a veteran submarine pilot and Titanic wreckage enthusiast by the name of Paul Henry Narjawat, as well as Stockton Rush, the CEO of OceanGate, were also present on the submarine, the Titan. Upon their descent on Sunday down into the depths, about an hour and a half into the dive, OceanGate and surrounding boats monitoring the dive lost contact with the Titan. Another member of OceanGate has stated the submarine has about 96 hours of backup oxygen in case of emergencies, with only 60 hours remaining, has created a panic to attempt to locate the submarine. But what rescue teams fear is even if the submarine may be located, they have confirmed they do not have the equipment needed to be able to bring the submarine back up from those depths safely. Some believe that the Titan may have gotten caught on the Titanic wreckage, others staying hopeful and stating they may have risen and are waiting to be located. But with precious time running out and no contact with the submersible yet, rescue teams are beginning to get worried. The ocean is still such an unknown destination. There is so many possibilities of what may have happened to the Titan. What do you think?